Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee. This video here is going to be a continuation on optimizing gear for a Woodsman pack that I'm going to put together. I wanted to do videos covering the individual components first, and then, at the end we're going to do a complete pack video. But water purification and cooking are two of the things that you're going to have to take into account if you're putting together some type of pack where you want to spend several days out in the woods and you want to live off the land a little bit. And I've always been a fan of the Sawyer Minis. I've used them for a long time already. I've never had a problem with them. But the thing with the Sawyer Minis is they remove biologicals. So, if you got a clear mountain stream, but you don't know what kind of, stuff is in that, you're going to be good to go using a Sawyer Mini. But where I'm at here, it's an agricultural area. There's a lot of farm runoff, from the different chemicals they put in the fields. And there's a lot of problems with dissolved solids and this type of thing. So I wanted to upgrade my water filter for this particular pack, because it's going to be more of a pack if you want to spend several days, maybe even a week or so out in the woods, and you want to try to live off the land as much as you possibly can. So I actually have a GeoPress here, a Grayl GeoPress that I just recently purchased that I've never opened, that I'm going to open up for you guys. And then I've got a couple of other little things here, my bush pot and my favorite cup and stuff that I'm also going to be including in this pack. And Uncle Bumble has always had good luck with his GeoPress, so I thought I was going to get one as well. And I actually had some points that I needed to use up, so I actually got this guy, at a discount. But you can see here, it's never been opened up, but I'm going to grab the old, knock stuff around, the old Kershaw Blur here, and open this guy up. And see what we got in here. And this is what it looks like in the box. And from what I've learned, here's what the inside looks like. I'm gonna give a little check here. Got a fancy little card going in here. And then they got the instruction booklet. And these things you fill up, and then you push the water bottle down, and then that's how these things work. And they're about the size of a, just a good sized water bottle. So they're actually pretty decent for some of the pouches that I got in my pack. So this guy right here is going to be going in my Woodsman pack. And I got lucky there. It actually slides into my cup. And this is actually my favorite cup. I've used this cup for literally years. And, now they always have butterfly wings on it, but then butterfly wings sometimes can break. And this solid cup right here is going to be going into this. So that's what that looks like. And then getting into bush pots. Bush pots are... there's all kinds of them you can get now. And my favorite bush pot I actually got at a Goodwill store about maybe 7-8 years ago. It was a Texport, and it was an entire camping set. And it had a large pot. It had a frying pan with a handle, and it had this beauty right here. It's steel, so it's heavier than, some of the modern materials, but this guy right here is the best bush pot I have ever had in my life. It's just the perfect size. It's a little bit bigger than most bush pots. So if you want to boil water in it, or make coffee for a couple of people, or if you want to make yourself, a hearty meal with some, some potatoes or some ham or some sausage and, a carrot or something. Oh man, this is just the bomb. And I have used this on many, many camping trips. And then it's got this little tab on the back here, and that's actually for pouring stuff out without burning yourself. And I've added a little piece of paracord on here to hang it off of stuff to let it dry and whatnot. And then it's got a solid cover on it. Again, the cover's got a nice little loop on it, so you can take a stick or whatever and pick it off, or you can take your multi-tool and do the same thing. But this guy right here is going in this Woodsman pack that I'm going to do, because it is my literal favorite, and I've never found a better. I mean, I've got several different other bush pots, but this guy right here is going to go in there. And if you ever see a Texport camp set that was probably made sometime in the late 1970s at a Goodwill, estate sale, or whatever, I highly recommend you purchase that. And then spoons, cooking utensils, that kind of stuff. And I like these Yukos right here. These are my favorite. I've got several of these. It comes apart, locks together. It's a long-handled spoon, and that's important so you can reach down in the bush pot, and then you got a fork on there as well. And then they actually come with a another little loop here where you can put it through. Again, these are one of my favorite, not very expensive. I think I paid maybe $5 for this, but these guys last a long time. You're not going to have to replace these very often unless you lose it. But that is the stuff that's going in my Woodsman pack. I am going to be putting that bush pot. I'm going to be putting this Grayl in so we can start using this guy here. Something just a little bit different to purify water a little better than the stuff that I have here. And then, of course, my favorite coffee cup and my favorite cooking utensils. So this is all going to be going in. And the pack's going to be one of my Alice packs that I had given to me by a good subscriber of mine, and that's where some of this stuff is going to be finding a new home. But anyway, this is Modern Refugee, talking a little bit about the water purification I'm going with in this particular pack, my cooking utensils, bush pot, and cups and stuff, all kind of important things to think about, especially if you're going to have a pack where you want to stay multiple days out in the woods. And then, of course, if you want to live off the land a little bit, which is always a great experience, I might add. But anyway, this is Modern Refugee. Appreciate all my subscribers out there. Hope you guys always get some good information and good entertainment out of my videos. And you guys have a good one.